Welcome to this video on the fundamentals of vehicle steering systems. We will explore how these systems function and the key components that keep your vehicle moving safely. This video begins with an introduction to the claims process involved in vehicle maintenance, covering everything from receiving documents to finalizing the claim. Next, we will look at the two primary types of steering systems, rack and pinion steering and recirculating ball steering. Rack and pinion steering is a common system. It converts rotary motion into linear motion, provides precise control, reduces mechanical complexity, and improves overall vehicle stability. Here you can see the internal components of a rack and pinion system, including the rack itself, control valves, and various seals. This illustration shows how the rack and pinion steering assembly connects to the vehicle's wheel and suspension setup. Recirculating ball steering is another important system. It reduces friction, provides high mechanical advantage for heavy vehicles, and offers great durability and stability. This diagram displays the recirculating ball steering components, highlighting the worm gear, ball nut, and circulating steel balls that minimize friction. Comparing the two, recirculating ball steering is durable and excellent for heavy loads, while rack and pinion steering is preferred for its precision and simpler design. The steering system relies on several major components, including the steering wheel, column, rack, pitman arm, idler arm, tie rods, and ball joints. The steering wheel and column are the driver's primary interface, transmitting input down through the shaft to the steering gear. This view shows the mechanical steering rack, detailing the gear housing, drive pinion, and the internal rack mechanism. Some steering racks incorporate hydraulic power steering, utilizing fluid lines and a hydraulic piston to assist the driver in turning the wheels. More modern vehicles often use electric power steering, which replaces hydraulic fluid with an electric motor and control unit to provide steering assistance. Finally, we see an uncommon electric power steering configuration that utilizes a toothed belt drive to assist with vehicle steering. In this video, we look at electric power steering systems that use direct drive for the steering rack, providing efficient and responsive control. Next, we examine steering linkage operation, which is critical for translating steering inputs to the wheels while maintaining proper alignment. Now let's explore different types of prop shafts. These are essential for transmitting torque, with designs ranging from single-piece units to more complex multi-piece and specialty shafts. A prop shaft consists of several key components, including the shaft tube, universal joints, slip joints, and flange yokes, all working together to transmit power. Additional components, such as center support bearings, CV joints, balancing weights, and dust shields, are vital for vibration reduction and protecting the drivetrain. This table summarizes the various prop shaft components we have discussed, offering a quick reference for their roles within the system. Identifying failure symptoms early is key. Watch for vibrations, clunking noises during gear shifts, squeaking, or shuddering on acceleration, as these often indicate worn components. Proper maintenance is essential. This includes regular visual inspections, lubrication of joints, and checking that all flange bolts are tightened to the correct torque. Further maintenance steps involve monitoring for unusual noises, ensuring proper alignment, checking dynamic balance, and replacing any worn parts promptly to prevent further damage. When repairing a prop shaft, precision is vital. Tasks include diagnosing specific faults, replacing universal joints, and servicing the center support bearing for smooth operation. Concluding our repairs, we focus on slip joints, straightening bent tubes, dynamic balancing, and proper reinstallation to ensure the drivetrain operates reliably and safely. Thank you for watching this video on the fundamentals of steering and drivetrain systems. Remember to always follow manufacturer specifications for all maintenance and repairs.